How's it going, y'all? I wanted to show you my potato harvest. Now, I put these in a couple months ago, and the question I get asked is when to harvest potatoes. Some people say when they flower, some people say wait until the plants die, some people up north say when it's the first frost. It's June. I'm going ahead and picking them at this stage when they're starting to turn yellow and wilt and the vegetation is dying. Now, you can pick the baby potatoes anytime. These should be a combination of little potatoes and big potatoes. All of this was 5 pounds of seed potatoes. So I don't use any tools. I just use my hands because I don't want to damage those little spuds. Also, watch how dirty I get by the end of this. All right, I begin by pulling the plant and then gently go through it with my fingers and start harvesting the taters. Dive right in. Ooh, all those taters, huh? Nice. Now, look at these worms. Look at this dirt. This is a combination of nice soil, goat hay, that is spent hay that the goats peed and pooped on, and you can see that I've also got some decomposing compost, pine mulch in here. Super easy to harvest like this. Just find your original parent plant and dig in.
In the twilight glow I see them, blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again.
Okay, I don't recommend this to anybody watching, but this is a fire ant mound. And there's potatoes growing in there. Guess what? I'm reaching in. I'm going in. Who the hell digs through a fucking fire ant mound? There's all the eggs. There's a potato. There's a potato. Yeah, just work fast. Brush them off. Alright, yeah. Woo, 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 hot cheese, hot cheese. Yeah, they're a little pissed. Remember I planted 5 pounds? I would say this right here is probably about 5 pounds. I think I got a pretty good yield. Let's get them all loaded up and see. Alright, not a bad haul for 5 pounds of seed potatoes in a couple months. Guess you could say these potatoes only have eyes for me.